stitches which are designed very cool. Also, it is very soft and well touchable, and it has two colors here. Also, the pad of the chair is very soft and you will feel relaxed while sitting here. And you will feel relaxed while sitting here because of the place of your hands. My height is about 1 meter and 75 centimeters, and when I sit to this chair, it will cover my back fully to the neck because the back is quite high, higher than another chairs. And the height of the chair matches the table, so you can easily take your cup of coffee and feel very relaxed. This dining chair has two colors for choose, and no matter you choose, it will fit your room very well. So I really recommend you to buy this chair. That's all for this time.